Pytest cannot import module while Python can. I am working on a package in Python. I use virtualenv.
I set the path to the root of the module in a pth path in my virtualenv, so that I can import modules of the package while developing the code and do testing. Question 1. Is it a good way to do?
This works fine. Here is an example. This is the behavior I want.
However, if I try to use pytest, I get some import error messages. I am a bit puzzled. It looks like this indicates an import error, but Python does it fine, so why is there a problem specifically with pytest? Any suggestion to the reason? Remedy. Question 2. I googled and Stack Overflowed the import error, cannot import error for pytest, but the hits I got were related to missing Python path and remedy to this, which does not seem to be the problem here. Any suggestions?
Found the answer. Do not put an underscore init_.py file in a folder containing tests if you plan on using pytest. I had one such file. Deleting it solved the problem. This was actually buried in the comments to the second answer of path issue with pytest import error, no module named yada yada yada, so I did not see it. Hope it gets more visibility here.
I can't say I understand why this works, but I have the same problem and the tests work fine if I run Python and pytest. I'm in a virtualenv, with pytest also available globally.
I just solved this by removing the _init_.py in my project root.
I had the same problem but for another reason than the ones mentioned. I had py.test installed globally, while the packages were installed in a virtual environment. The solution was to install pytest in the virtual environment. In case your shell hashes executables, as bash does, use #r, or use the full path to py.test.
If you are using that, please consider self-wrapping.